friends, I'm going to show you how to make these three-dimensional paper snowflakes. And again, all you need is some paper, a hot glue gun, and some scissors. And so we're going to start off, I'm going to set this aside. We're going to start off with a piece of paper, fold it down, cut this off. Fold it again. This is the trickiest part, okay? I'm gonna set this guy over here so you can see. We're going to cut in. I'm gonna flip it. All right, so we're gonna cut this part in. Then we're gonna go from these sides. All right, so you don't want them to fully meet. We've got these. We're gonna open them up. Oh, another thing, try to make sure these are smooth. If you've got little points on them, cut them off to make it nice and smooth. And you'll see in a minute why this is important. I'm gonna open it up, just like this. So if they have jagged points on them, they're just not as pretty. And what we're gonna do is we're going to hot glue the second petal in the middle to where all the points meet. Okay? Where all the points meet. And take away any little strings. And you're gonna do the same thing until you have 2 of these. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to put them together opposite. Let's see here. Do you see what I mean? By having the points meet like this. And you're gonna glue them together. Let's see if I take the time to do this real quick. Just so you make sure that you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Then opposite. Just like that, okay? And then what I do is I go around and I just put a little dab of hot glue on these little guys to make sure they all stay together as one piece. So when you hang it, they don't flop too much. And you can do this with heavier paper. You can do this with smaller squares of paper to get smaller snowflakes. Like you could use origami paper that's already cut for you into the squares. But when you get a bunch of these up, they make a really cool display. And just make sure to pull off all the hot glue strings. And there we go. I think we're done. And there you have it. And then I would just glue like a little string at one end and hang them up. And you've got a really cool snowflake. All right, there you go, guys.